Hi, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the future of AI and its applications in our lives. That includes the good, but also the bad side of AI. From business automation to healthcare, education to transportation, AI is poised to revolutionize the world as we know it. Let's explore the profound impact of AI and the challenges it brings. In today's fast-paced world, innovations in artificial intelligence are transforming industries and societies worldwide. From big data to robotics, AI's influence is omnipresent, and the rise of generative AI is pushing boundaries even further. According to a recent survey by IBM, businesses are increasingly integrating AI into their operations, with a significant percentage already leveraging generative AI. But what does this mean for the future? Let's delve deeper into the implications of AI's evolution across various sectors. AI has come a long way since 1951, when the first documented success of an AI computer program was written by Christopher Strachey, whose checkers program completed a whole game on the Ferranti Mark I computer at the University of Manchester. Thanks to developments in machine learning and deep learning, IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in 1997, and the company's IBM Watson won Jeopardy in 2011. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves in the era of generative AI, marked by OpenAI's groundbreaking GPT models. OpenAI's GPT-4 and ChatGPT models have opened new frontiers in AI, enabling the generation of text, audio, images, and more. But AI's impact extends beyond technology, influencing critical areas like healthcare and climate change. So how will AI reshape industries? Manufacturing, one of the earliest adopters of AI, continues to benefit from advancements in robotics and predictive analytics. AI-enabled robots work alongside humans, streamlining operations and enhancing efficiency. Moreover, AI-driven predictive maintenance ensures that machinery runs smoothly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. In healthcare, AI's transformative potential is immense. From disease diagnosis to drug discovery, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of patient data, enabling faster and more accurate treatment decisions. Virtual nursing assistants provide round-the-clock care, monitoring patients' vital signs and alerting healthcare providers to any abnormalities. Additionally, AI-powered medical imaging systems detect subtle anomalies that might evade human eyes, enabling early intervention and improving patient outcomes. And now, to finances. Financial institutions leverage AI to navigate the complexities of modern finance. AI algorithms detect fraudulent transactions in real time, safeguarding customers' assets and preserving trust in the banking system. Moreover, AI-driven risk assessment models evaluate loan applications with unprecedented accuracy, expanding access to credit for underserved communities. In the realm of trading, AI-powered algorithms analyze market data at lightning speed, identifying profitable opportunities and mitigating risk in volatile markets. AI is also revolutionizing education, personalizing learning experiences, and empowering educators to meet the diverse needs of their students. Adaptive learning platforms leverage AI algorithms to assess students' strengths and weaknesses, delivering tailored lessons that optimize learning outcomes. Moreover, AI-powered tutoring systems provide individualized support to students, offering explanations and feedback tailored to their unique learning styles. In the digital age, AI-enhanced educational tools transform traditional classrooms into dynamic learning environments, equipping students with the skills they need to thrive in an increasingly complex world. In our medias and newspapers, journalism embraces AI, with tools like ChatGPT producing thousands of stories. But ethical questions loom as AI's role in journalism evolves. While AI-generated content can enhance efficiency and productivity in newsrooms, it also raises concerns about journalistic integrity and editorial oversight. As AI algorithms become increasingly proficient at generating news articles, media organizations must grapple with the ethical implications of automated content creation, ensuring that AI-generated stories uphold journalistic standards and serve the public interest. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are also transforming the customer service landscape, providing personalized support and streamlining communication channels. These intelligence systems leverage natural language processing algorithms to understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time, reducing wait times and enhancing customer satisfaction. AI-driven analytics tools analyze customer interactions to identify trends and patterns, enabling businesses to optimize their service offerings and improve overall customer experience. From resolving simple queries to handling complex issues, AI-powered customer service solutions empower businesses to deliver exceptional service and build lasting customer relationships. Now, let's discuss transportation, a topic that concerns most people around the world. It undergoes a seismic shift with self-driving cars and AI-powered travel planners. The future of mobility is driven by AI, with autonomous vehicles promising to revolutionize transportation systems and reshape urban landscapes. These advanced technologies leverage AI algorithms to navigate complex environments, anticipate traffic patterns, and ensure passenger safety. AI-powered travel planners optimize route efficiency, reducing congestion and emissions while enhancing the overall travel experience. As cities embrace smart transportation solutions, AI-driven innovations are poised to transform the way we move, work, and live in urban environments. Despite its transformative potential, AI presents significant risks. Let's explore some of these challenges. AI-driven automation threatens job displacement, with certain sectors facing greater risks than others. The widespread adoption of AI-powered technologies could lead to workforce disruptions as routine tasks are increasingly automated, leading to job losses and economic uncertainty for affected workers. Moreover, the digital divide exacerbates existing inequalities, with marginalized communities facing greater barriers to accessing education and employment opportunities in the AI-driven economy. Biases inherent in AI models perpetuate inequalities, particularly in facial recognition technology. Without intervention, AI algorithms could reinforce societal biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes and exacerbating existing disparities in access to resources and opportunities. Addressing these biases requires proactive measures to diversify datasets, mitigate algorithmic biases, and promote fairness and transparency in AI systems. The proliferation of deepfakes poses significant challenges for society, undermining trust in media and distorting public discourse. As AI technologies become increasingly sophisticated, malicious actors can manipulate audio, video, and text content with alarming realism, creating convincing but false narratives that deceive and mislead audiences. We had an example of that in January, with the Taylor Swift scandal and the sexualized images of her circulating on social medias and racking tens of millions of views. Fighting the spread of deepfakes requires a multifaceted approach, including technological solutions, media literacy programs, and regulatory measures to safeguard against the harmful effects of misinformation. Also, data privacy breaches endanger consumer information, with businesses facing legal and ethical ramifications. The collection and analysis of vast amounts of personal data raise concerns about privacy infringement, surveillance, and the misuse of sensitive information. Moreover, the commodification of personal data exacerbates existing power imbalances, with tech companies wielding unprecedented control over individuals' digital identities and online behaviors. Protecting data privacy requires robust regulatory frameworks, transparent data practices, and enhanced user control over personal information. In the military sector, the use of AI in automated weapons poses a major threat to global security and human rights. Autonomous weapon systems lack human oversight and accountability, raising concerns about the potential for unintended consequences and catastrophic harm. The proliferation of AI-driven military technologies fuels an arms race and escalates geopolitical tensions, increasing the risk of conflict and instability on a global scale. Preventing the misuse of automated weapons requires international cooperation, ethical guidelines, and legal frameworks to ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies in military contexts. The concept of superintelligent AI raises existential questions about the future of humanity and the nature of consciousness. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, concerns arise about the emergence of artificial general intelligence and its potential to surpass human capabilities. While AGI holds the promise of solving complex problems and advancing scientific knowledge, it also poses profound ethical and societal challenges, including concerns about control, autonomy, and existential risks. Safeguarding against the risks of superintelligent AI requires careful deliberation, ethical foresight, and proactive measures to ensure the responsible development and governance of AI technologies. As we stand on the precipice of an AI-powered future, the possibilities are endless, yet so too are the challenges. By embracing innovation responsibly and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the full potential of AI while safeguarding our humanity. In the end, we have to accept that AI is here to stay. We have to find a middle ground between using its capabilities for the good of humanity or letting it spread without efficient supervision, rules, and guidelines. AI can change our lives, our world, and our future in a very good way, but we need to ensure that abuses are prevented. We need specific AI laws in place, strong regulations to punish bad actors abusing AI technology, and also ensure that we keep total control over every AI system. We should not fear AI, it is just a tool for us to use. On the other hand, what we should fear is the lack of regulations and how it is used in our daily lives. It's not an AI problem, it's a human problem, and it's up to us to fix it. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the future of AI. If you enjoy this content, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you in the next one.